Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can actually use stock images on our Microsoft Word document. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can actually upload or go ahead and upload and insert an image that is saved locally on your computer into your document. So it's this Assassin's Creed picture. So let me go ahead and delete it. And in its place, we're going to go ahead and add a stock image. So same thing as before, go ahead and place our cursor where we want the image, come over here to insert. Then once we do that, we can go ahead and click on this drop down for pictures and let's come over to stock images. Now from here, we can go ahead and choose a category. We can search for something in particular. So let's go ahead and search technology. And now it's going to give us all of the images that have technology tags associated with them. And then we can either add multiple pictures or we can just add one at a time. But you can see if you want to add multiple, just kind of highlight the images that you want, click it, and then it'll add a check mark to indicate it's been selected. So let's just go ahead and add one image. Let's add this one. And now that we are good with our selections, go ahead and hit insert. And now we actually have that stock image that's been added to our page here. So rather than having to go through Google and try to find an image on there and then maybe worry about potential licensing issues and depending on what you're doing with your document, you could just go ahead and head right over to the stock images. And there's tons of them. There's probably hundreds, if not thousands of images that you can select from. And hopefully you'll be able to find what you're looking for. Or if it's an image that you have saved locally to your computer, same process as before. You guys could see my video on that, but it's just one option above stock images where you just select this device and then you select it from your computer.